Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna show you how to make my favorite beef soup, and this is my family's favorite soup also. So what we have here is our ingredients, and our main ingredients is in this pressure cooker. It's actually the beef chuck short ribs. Today's ingredients are beef chuck short ribs. We have green beans, we have red potato, sweet corn, and cabbage, and we have chopped onion, chopped ginger, and chopped tomato. So first thing first, we will turn on the heat. Pot. As you can see, I'm using, this is my biggest pot, so hopefully all the ingredients that I'm cooking today is gonna fit in here. But you know, you at home, if you want to cook this recipe, when I'm done, you know, you think this is, oh, that's really good, that's tasty, make sure you have a big pot. Like if you have bigger than this pot, because that way you don't have to worry, like, you know, overflowing when it's boiling like that. All right, so now I have boiled water from my electric kettle. I'm gonna pour it. You see, it's steamy. I can have my spot. All right, so that water is not enough for our ingredients, but again, the beef that's in here, there's also a broth in here. We can use that. Now let me show you what I did. So I did this ahead of time. Okay, this one is done. We'll take that out, and now we have to get the meat out. So look, guys, this is how thick it is. So if you are boiling this in here, hour, 2 hours, that's how long it takes. But this is actually really, it's tender now. So the process of cooking is just like halfway, you know, because this one is almost done. And so the broth in here, guys, actually has of course, you know, fat. That's why you don't wanna throw this away, because that's where all the good stuff in here. What we're gonna do is we will add some of these broth in here, just enough to cover the meat. Okay, and then later on, if we needed more broth for this broth, that's hard to pronounce, broth, we'll add more, but for now we'll save some of that. And this, as you can see, is boiling, is simmering. Is that the word? It's not boiling, it's simmering. We'll add our ginger, If you don't like ginger, this is optional. You don't have to use it. But I like my soup with ginger because it's good for you. I mean, my husband at first not fun with this ginger, but now actually I think he's okay with it. God put it in. You gotta eat the food with the ginger. It's good for you. Okay, so there you go. Tomato, onion, and ginger goes in with the beef. Put that aside. And then we'll cover it and let it simmer for a little bit until the water is, the broth is really, boiling. And then adjust the heat, just medium high for now. And then we will wait. Okay? And when we come back, we can add our potato, because the potato is the one that's, it takes time a little bit to cook. And also I cut it in thick slices. This is one potato. It's I don't know, a small medium size, and I cut it in half just like that. This kind of soup, guys, is not like those soup like little pieces of, slices of ingredients. This one is a big chunk type of soup. So anyway, okay, so let's check. See, it's boiling. All right, so now stir it a little bit like that, and we can add our potato. Let me dump the water because I soaked the potato in water so it doesn't turn brown. It's okay, guys. I wash my hands. Okay. Yesterday. No, of course not. You wash your hands all the time, especially when you're handling food. Okay, one potato, two potato. All right, so that is done. Oh my goodness, it's piling up. Okay, and we will season it with my mix seasoning. Again, this one is salt, ground black pepper, and what did I put in here? Oh, MSG. If you don't like MSG, guys, you can substitute it with granulated sugar. But because this is a Filipino soup recipe, I wanna season it as authentic as can be. I mean, I upgraded it with other ingredients, but again, the seasoning, I want it to be the season that I remember. It's in the tip of my tongue. All right, that's it for now. And we cover it back again, and this time medium heat. You wanna slow cook it. Okay, There you go. And then we'll come back. Just, I think the potato, we'll come back and then I'll check the potato, see how tender it is. And then we'll put, you know, little by little corn next. And then the cabbage and the green beans, I will add that at the same time. Like close to when everything is, ready. Because the cabbage and the green beans cook very fast. Okay. Okie dokie dokie. Check our potato. Yep. Yep. It's cooking. It's cooking. And the meat, guys. Oh, let me get out. Porky pork, okay? Let me get a pork. Oh my goodness. Look at this. We wanna cook this until the meat separate from the bone. That's what you want, and you put it in your mouth, is everything just melt into your mouth. Okay, now let's put our corn. This is sweet corn. Okay guys, I cut it. There's let me see, 1, 2, there's 3 corn in here, and I cut it into 3 pieces. That's all I can fit in this pot I have. You think it's giant, but it's not really. Looks like I'm feeding an army. I'm like, oh my god. Okay. Let me taste. Need a little bit more. And then we'll simmer it some more. Okay. Simmering. All right. Cover it. And then simmer it some more. We are going to check the progress of our soup. Soupy soup. Holy monkey. Wowie. We can add our green beans now. Let's add green beans. Just like that. And again, you can add more broth in here. But right now, still okay. It's still all right. And we'll add our cabbage. This is only half. Half. Put everything in. And make sure everything is swimming in the broth. And then we'll cover. We cover. Yep. Let's cover that until the green beans and the cabbage cooked. And then I will season it. I will taste it first, and then if it's needed more seasoning, then I will, you know, season it more. We are almost ready. Almost ready. Almost.
Okay.
Already. Here comes our soup. Simmering. Ah, I think we have to add a little more broth. Look at this, guys. Who's hungry? My God, that's a lot of soup. Let me add more broth, okay? Let me add more broth. Okay. Again, this is the remaining broth that we have from the pressure cooker. So we're adding it more because all the ingredients is absorbing the broth. All right, let me taste. Taste, taste, taste. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. What? You know what, guys? Something is missing. Something is missing. And you know what's missing? Our magic sarap. We'll add it to complete our soup. Soupy soup soup. Just add one pocket. Sprinkle it. And mix it. All the ingredients is ready. It is ready. So here you go, guys. Here you go. All ready, 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 ready. Let's plate it. We can turn off our heat, and this is done. It's all done. Now let's plate it. The way I eat this, of course I eat it with rice, but as it is, everything's in here. You'll just eat it like this. Have some corn. Another piece of meat. You have your cabbage. And then green beans. It's a big piece. Okay? And then have some broth. Potato. Here's your soup. Soupy soup. Oh my goodness. It is. Here you go, guys. It's very yummy. So if these appeals you like it, try, and don't forget to share it, hit the subscribe button, and like it. All right, and enjoy. I'll see you in the next show. Take care, guys.